Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to manage a research project using Airtable, your ultimate guide for 2025. First things first, create a new base and name it after your project. This is where you'll organize your data. Think of it as a custom database tailored to your project's needs. This step is crucial because it helps keep your project organized and easy to navigate. Now, let's set up some tables. Think of tables as different aspects of your research. For example, you could have one for data collection, another for analysis, and yet another for findings. The reason we do this is to categorize your work, making it more manageable. Next up, create fields within these tables. Fields can hold various types of information: text, checkboxes, attachments, and more. For instance, in your data collection table, you could have fields for source, date, summary. This helps us because it allows to capture all the necessary details for each aspect of your research. Now that we've done that, it's time to use views. Views let you see your data in different ways. You can have a grid view, calendar view, or even a Kanban view. Let me explain why this matters. It allows you to visualize your data in whatever way that makes most sense to you, boosting productivity. Finally, leverage the power of Airtable's collaboration features. Share your base with your team, assign tasks, and track progress. This is important because it promotes teamwork and keeps everyone on the same page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your research project using Airtable. Remember, the key is to customize it to your needs. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy researching.